What up, what up, what up? It's me again, your boy Richie Rich. Again, another video on another appliance. This time, I'm gonna give you my overall review. But before I do that, we gotta focus on a couple things. One, the price for this top-load Maytag wash machine. Alright, so different sites we discussed before, Home Depot, Lowe's, it's probably around 700. I would say from $600 to $800, depending on the day, depending on if it's a holiday, depending on if you're getting a deal or sale, whatever. You know what I mean? So you got to consider all these different things here. But the price that you will get for this particular unit, I would give it a 3 as far as a grade, because it's just an average price for an average machine. All right. So the prices, the grade that we're gonna give is 3.
I can't pay the 5. I ain't paying it.
Well, I was thinking 4.
Well, I was thinking 3.
As far as the parts, again, we discussed the transmission. That's roughly over 200 and something bucks. You have your actuator, that's about from 40 to 70 bucks, depending on the company that comes out. You also have your lid switch. That could probably be 100 bucks as well. So as far as the parts on here that typically goes bad on this machine, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this is not one of my favorite machines to work on. It's a pain in the butt. So even though these parts are cheap, I'm just gonna give you my honest opinion. The parts are not bad, but they do go bad often. So as far as the parts, as far as the prices for the parts and the parts that typically goes bad on here, I'm gonna give it a 3, because I'm not a huge fan of this particular washing machine. It's a lot of headache for a simple machine. It's just too complex, too complicated. There's times when you might think is one thing and then it's something else, so it's not even worth it. All right. As far as the warranty, one of the things I failed to realize is that this one has a 10-year limited warranty. So the first year it covers the parts and the labor, which is good. That's industry standard, so it's nothing great there. That's pretty formal, you know. But as far as the it also offers a 2nd through a 10-year limited warranty on your drive motor and your wash basket. So your drive motor, wash basket has a 2nd through a 10-year limited warranty only on the labor. Okay, so you want to look at that as well. So as far as the warranty, I would give it a 4 because it goes a little bit above and beyond the standard 1-year manufacturer warranty. So you always want to keep your receipts. We instruct you guys to keep your receipts. So when a technician comes out or you want to register your appliance with Maytag, just to make sure that they have your information on file, you want to make sure you do that as soon as the appliance is installed. Send that information off. You can either send it either via email, you can send it off mail, you can even go online. Whatever the instructions tell you in the owner's manual, I suggest that you do that. And again, of course, always hold on to the receipt. So the average price that we got for the warranty, we give it a 4. As far as productivity, this is where it's at. This is where my true opinions come in, right? I'm giving it a 2. I'm giving it a 2. I'm giving it a below average machine. One, it's a standard base model unit, but you will think it will at least operate like an average machine. I've had so many issues with this particular unit, so many problems, so many times I see this machine and I regret going out as a service technician at times because it's a pain in the butt. You never know what you're gonna get. Again, you have common issues that does happen, but I'm just telling you, man, as far as productivity, a lot of customers are not satisfied with this particular unit, all right? So again, we just go over everything real quick. The prices, 3. Parts, 3. Warranty, 4. Productivity, 2. So if we add up all these different numbers, you're getting a 12. All right, so we divided it by 4. So the average, right? The average overall grade that we're gonna give this particular unit is a 3 because it's an average machine. Nothing spectacular, nothing great. It's just bland, average, you know. So if you want a little bit more, I suggest you go a little bit higher and go ahead and pay a little bit more money for something that you really want. All right, so if you just want a base model for something that works, this is good for if you own different properties that you want to put this in one of your tenants' homes just for them to have a machine to use. This is what this is for. All right, but as far as an appliance that I would like to purchase, again, it's an average machine, nothing spectacular. Again, always subscribe to the channel, man. We appreciate you guys. We appreciate the support. Always remember to subscribe to CAR21136. Again, I'm your boy Richie Rich from Consumer Appliance Report, and I will holler at you next time. You know what I mean? Let me get these words out. I holler at you. Peace.